No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown. I will use Inception as a strong broad first guess with distinctive cast, director, year, rating, and genres. I'm accepting the cookie banner first, then selecting the search result with enter only for the dropdown, and finally clicking the guess button as required. Type card is green. The guest title is Inception, which is movie, so target median equals movie. Year appears yellow, so the target is within 2 years of 2010, but the arrow is obscured by the open dropdown. IMDb rating appears yellow, so the target is within 0.5 of 8.8, with arrow also obscured. Overlaps shown. Actor Leonardo DiCaprio is green, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, and director Christopher Nolan are not highlighted. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi appear gray. Constraints. Target is a movie, roughly 2008 to 2012. IMDb rating roughly 8.3 to 9.3. Includes Leonardo DiCaprio, likely not Nolan directed and not action adventure sci-fi. Type card is green, and the last guess Inception was a movie, so target median equals movie. Years within 2 years and arrow up means target is newer than 2010, rating is within 0.5 and arrow down means lower to 8.8. Leonardo DiCaprio overlaps while action, adventure, sci-fi, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, and Christopher Nolan do not. Django Unchained fits 2012 movie, Leonardo DiCaprio, high but lower rating, and different genre/director, so I will submit it next. Got it in 2 guesses. The answer was Django Unchained. The first guess showed we needed a movie near 2012 with a high rating, and the Leonardo DiCaprio overlap pointed straight toward Django, with the final green year, 8.5 rating, genres, and Quentin Tarantino confirming it.